Guys, okay, so there's a trend right now which is the Dunkin' Donuts chocolate butternut, in which meron siyang chocolate sa loob. So we bought one. It's not in a box kasi ubos na yung box, but there's still some left. So we'll taste it and see. Me and my daughter will taste it and see if it's yummy. Okay, let's open it up. So it's like parang chocolate moist cake siguro. Okay, so here it is. It's like the usual choco butternut, pero may something sa loob. Hindi ko masyadong kita. In the picture, masyadong malaki yung ano, yung parang fudging niya. Pero, konti lang yung fudging niya actually. How about you? Give us the fudgy thing inside. Try it again. Kasi parang hindi ko siya nasulit or something. It's a choco butternut girly, I know. There's a little bit difference. Not that much. I know. Meron siyang butas. So, meaning, meron siyang chocolate fudge sa loob. Super konti lang. Nasobrahan yata sa hype. Pero sobrang konti lang yung fudge. Yung ano niya, yung parang fudge thing sa loob. That's it.